can't tell, it's Kid Pick time! My last box was very promising, so I'm hoping that this one is good too, again. First item is a little backpack purse. I think it's pretty cute. Next, ooh, a star knitted sweater. I like it. Next is the little free prize that I always get. And it looks like they're stickers. And a cute little bag. Shoes. Hopefully it's good. They're gray again, but I like the dark gray, and they have this little silver sparkle on them, which I think is pretty cute. A blue floofy with white polka dot skirt. A silky, I think it's a pretty soft and silky, chic is cool shirt. I really like it. Also, oh, I like these. They look sort of like jeans, but they're actually leggings. Jeggings. Here is a gray, red, and navy blue dress. And I think this was a pretty good box so far. So here's the first outfit. What do you guys think? I really like these dark gray boots with the silver lining because I sort of want some shortcut boots. I like these red jeggings because they're stretchy and they're not the more jean jeggings. And I like this shirt because it's just so comfortable. So here's the sweater. What do you guys think? Because what I think is that this is too big because here's where the shoulder, I feel like this is supposed to be for an older girl because this right here is where the shoulders are supposed to be, so they're supposed to be more like this. And it's just a bit baggy, so I don't think we're going to keep it. Here's the blue sweater with the star on it with the skirt. I don't really like the skirt because it seems more for spring. Here's the dress. I pretty much like it through and through. I just wish that was a tiny bit a different material. Bye!
It doesn't.